Hey, welcome back to Kaohsiung. In fact, the port of Kaohsiung. Now, the port of Kaohsiung, as you can probably see by some of the stuff nearby, has got tons of photographic opportunities. There's many things to photograph here. But today I'm going to do a photographer's guide to the Pier 2 Art Center. Let's go and do it. There are many ways that you can get to the Pier 2 Art Center. Once you're in Kaohsiung, you can come here by MRT. You can take the light rail. You could even hire a bike, a U-bike, and ride here. It would take you about 15 or 20 minutes from the station. Some people drive here, there's parking nearby. Personally, I usually come here by bike. It's the easiest for me. But yeah, you can choose your own way. You could even hire one of these to get around, if this is your thing. So when is the best time to photograph here? I would say, well, first thing in the morning, it's very, very quiet. So if you want to get here first thing in the morning, then obviously you can, and it's good for photographing the art displays and the graffiti and so on. But if you want to photograph people, you really want to get here later in the afternoon. I'd say probably an hour or two before sunset, and then you can photograph through sunset into the golden hour and then onto the night markets later. You can plan your time of arrival by using an app like Sunseeker. I've been using this one for years, and you can actually, if you input the date and the time, you can see the direction of the sun, which can be really, really useful if you want to get some shadows and you want to capture a certain look. This is the swing bridge. I believe it's the largest swing bridge in Asia, and it opens a couple of times a day, but it's always very popular. You can always do a lot of photography around this location. It's great. That's an example of some of the painted buildings. They've been done very beautifully. Not just graffiti, you know, it's actually beautiful art. At the heart of Pier 2 are a load of old warehouses. Obviously, these were connected once by railroad, but now they're all being converted into stores and restaurants and cafes and so on. So there's plenty of things to do and see in this area. Stores like this, have a look at this one. So here we have some old scooters. It's quite interesting, and an old French motorcycle there, Peugeot. Wow. I just spoke to the owner, and apparently the things in here are for sale. So yeah, I don't know, you know, how much and so on, but yeah. Most of these stores don't open like until lunchtime, or sometimes even later, so don't come here first thing in the morning expecting them to be open, because they probably won't be. This is one of the star attractions. You can come and photograph this, complete with his rather indecent extension there. Different weeks bring different events. This week it's a handicraft workshop, so if you want to do some handicrafts, this would have been your time to shine. So this is the light rail that goes all the way around the center of Kaohsiung. It's a complete circuit, so you could ride around on it forever. Well, more or less, I suppose. So yeah, that's quite a nice thing to take a trip on. Actually, photographically, it's good because we have the leading lines here that go off into the distance. So if you put your camera down low, we can get some interesting shots from here, from this location, by going down low like this. Just because it's dark doesn't mean to say you need to go home. I mean, there's some beautiful colors here now. Even though it's well past sunset, I say well past sunset, it's about 20 minutes after sunset, there's still some beautiful images to be made here. So that's photography at Pier 2. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you've been here before to shoot, or if you have any questions, then please just leave comments below in the description. Please like the video and consider subscribing to the channel if you enjoy videos about photography in Taiwan. Yeah, and you can buy me a coffee if you really enjoyed the video. The link's in the description below. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.